Hi, I'm Justin Deljudas from Greater Connecticut Real Estate. Today we are replacing a single cylinder dead latch lock. So this is an older door. First thing we're going to do, you're just going to fit this piece in. I've actually already measured the door, so I know it's a little bit short. So these actually come on in. Then once you come on in here, take a look right here. Just going to break this off to size. You see these tabs right here. So we're just going to take this end piece and just snap it off. I had to do the same thing with these two bolts. You see there's an easy breakaway point there for different door thickness. Okay, so once you're measured to size, put the lock right through the hole. You take your metal plate. Come on in here, Ben. You're just going to line up these two holes. I'm just going to do that with my finger for right now. Just make sure that fits in there. Okay, I'm going to have my drill set to low. I'm just going to snug it up a little bit, and I'll finish the rest with a screwdriver. Okay, I'll take the screwdriver right here, snug it up. Okay, once that's nice and snug, take your two screws. You're going to attach the plate to the door. Screw on the other side as well. All right, next, we're going to take our dead latch. Just going to line this slot right up. All right. And we're going to take our long screws and attach it to the door. So I just put one right in. Okay, so you see we have all three screws put in here nice and tight. Just putting in the catch plate. Previously they were in with these small screws. You want to use something a bit more substantial. That's going to help keep your lock safe if somebody tries to kick the door in. So we put two long bolts in, the third one goes in right here. Alright, it's in nice and tight. Make sure we're all lined up. So you see it latches nice and tight. And that's it. That is how you do a single cylinder dead latch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check us out at greaterctrealestate.com.